Hello everyone, let me walk you through the demo of Aramex Shipping Connector in Odoo by BrowseInfo. This application streamlines shipping operation by integrating Aramex logistic network directly into the Odoo. This module automates shipping label generation, real-time tracking, and rate calculation, enhancing order fulfillment efficiency. Businesses can optimize their shipping process, reduce manual effort, and provide customer with accurate delivery updates all within the Odoo platform. So, first of all, we need to go into the inventory module. Under configuration, we will find the menu for delivery method. Open that and here you will find a delivery name Aramex. Here, go into the Aramex configuration and enter your credentials like username, password, account number, account PIN, account entity, account country code, and the version. After this, we will go into the sales module. Here we will create a new quotation. Click on new and add your customer. Here I am selecting Deco Addict as my customer. Now add the product. I will be selecting acoustic block as my product. Now here you will find the checkbox name. Do you know your shipment dimension? Enable that and here you will find the button name enter box dimension. Open that. Add length. First of all, I will be adding 120, 140 and 150. Now when you click on confirm, you will get a validation error saying length, width and height must be less than 100 centimeter. So we will just go and update our length, width and height to 10, 10 and 10. Now click on confirm and it is updated. Now click on add shipping button. Select your shipping method as Aramex and then you can see the product type field, select parcel in that. Now you can see the total order weight in here. Click on get rate button to get your rate. Here you can see your cost field is updated accordingly. Now click on add button and in order lines you will find your shipping method Aramex with its price. Confirm this sale order and you can see a delivery is created. Go to the delivery and here you can see in the additional info that the carrier is Aramex. Now update the quantity and save it. Now validate the delivery. Here you can see your delivery is validated. You can see a tracking reference is generated in here. In log also you can see a tracking number with its cost. And in here you will find your label for Aramex. Here you can see all the details in the label. Now you will find a tracking number and tracking reference, but instead of this also you will find a tracking button in here. When you click on that, you will be redirected to the Aramex website. Here you can enter your tracking number and track it, and here you can see the tracking number we just created shipping for. Here you can see the update of your parcel. After that, you can see a cancel button near tracking reference. Click on that and you will be getting a confirmation saying if you want to cancel the delivery or not. Click on OK and you can see your shipment is cancelled. And you can also see in the tracking reference field that it is updated. If you have any queries about this video, you can ask them in the comment box and we will solve your queries. If you feel this video is useful to you, please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more Odoo related videos. Thanks for watching.